Ew, that is disgusting.
Looks like I'm snotting out yellow.
Ew. Alright, so I'm gonna do put down your finger. The camera just, okay. Stop falling. Okay, thank you. Put your finger down if you have an ugly sister. Put your finger down if you have another ugly sister. Put your other finger down if you have another ugly sister. Put another finger down if you secretly. No. Okay, fine. If you are ugly, no fingers getting down.
Lame.
Get your head out. Put your finger down if your sister wants to always steal the attention. Get your face out. Bye. Alright.
You idiots.
You can stop moving the phone.
I can't see it.
Hold on, let it focus.
By the time it focuses, it's already gonna see it.
Yeah.
How many records are there?
75. 13.
3.
I was close. I had the 3.
Mm-hmm.
Where are they?
Where do I go? There's one near us.
New Jersey.
There's one up north, and then there's one in the center.
Okay, so North Jersey, South Jersey,
But what are they called? I'll give you a hint. The one in the north starts with N. And the one in the center starts with N.
New Jersey. New Jersey.
The one in the south near us starts with a C.
C? Cincinnati.
Camden.
Okay.
New Brunswick.
Okay.
Newark.
Like, listen, I was pretty close though.
No, you weren't.
Ew.
I should fight you.
Alright, this is running like 6 minutes, so I'm gonna end it. She said.
She said.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. At the beach. Pretty nice day. Pretty hot. Yeah, that's the video. It's probably just me, like, us at the beach, chilling out, and yeah. Tori, got a burger. Ooh, let's get a close up. Ooh, looks delicious. Dad looks angry at me.
What am I know?
Oh, loser. Ew, it's on your nose. That's disgusting. Ew. You're like sniffing it. That's gross. Alright, let's get him. It's still on your nose. Ew, that is disgusting.
Looks like I'm snotting out yellow.
Ew. Tori's snotting out yellow. It's on your hat too.
I know, Grace.
It's so hard to see whether things are focused in the camera because it's so bright out. Are you a little happy girl? You got your burger? How are you? My crab's hurt. Dad, you like your Eagles attire? Attire?
POV, you're the sandwich.
No, POV, you're the mustard up your nose. Bob, how are you?
Oh wait, no.
You gonna take my picture?
Are you doing good? I'm taking a video right now.
I'm doing terrific.
Terrific, that's great. Grammy, how are you?
I'm a wallet.
I'm great. It's a beautiful day at the beach.
It's a
Yep.
beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Guys, that's bad. No, I don't want to go in.
Great acting, Thor.
Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to laugh. Try again. Take
All right,
two.
take 2 and action.
Oh no, the water's coming. I don't want to get in.
You realize how far away you are from actually getting in the water? She said, don't push me as I'm 10 feet away from the water. Stop!
Grace, I'm in quicksand.
Guys, we should make a sand castle.
With what?
With the sand?
We don't have any buckets or
So we have to improvise.
With what?
Yes. I don't know. Okay, I'm done taking a video because people are staring at me like I'm funny. We're about to show you the best castle ever. Oh, would you like that?
Kill you?
She's dead. Best castle ever, right here. Run! Run! See in the ocean.
Alright.
If I feel a warm spot, I'm blaming it on you.
I thought you weren't going in.
I'm not, but I can feel it from all the way over here. Olivia. Alright, vamonos. Adios. And I'm gonna have to speed up this clip. What happened?
It's so cold.
Oh, I didn't realize how zoomed in I was. I zoomed in because you were coming up, and then I didn't realize how zoomed in I was. So then when I was holding like this, it was like that close. It's too cold. That's why I'm just putting my feet in.
Come on. Come on, Grace. Okay.
I can't.
Get out
Hey,
Save me.
get off of the camera. Get off of the camera. Get off of the camera.
Get off the camera!
I'm scared.
She's scared.
So annoyed at you. I was all dry.
And get out there! Yeah!
So much. You finally get in? I do want
How bad are you on a scale from 1 to 10? 13.
He's saying something that doesn't even make sense.
We're sisters. Twins. You're not sisters anymore. You're twins. Getting a workout. So she ate funnel cake.
I'm gonna get to Frenchies.
Come on, you can do it.
Frenchies.
Oh, that was low.
Really? Really? Ah! We're walking. We're walking. I feel like I said that weird. We're walking.
I'm getting burned.
The boardwalk. Toy shoulders.
My
about to
thighs
eat
are
crispy
chafing.
chicken nuggets.
My thighs are chafing.
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 Yes. Now look at her feet. So cute.
Every step.
Roy looks like a guy with her hair like this. Tired.
Still 88 degrees.
I just feel like a little bit sick, but whatever.
He's Paul's brother. Want a
Let
nap?
me see your napkin, Liv.
I gave you napkins back there, didn't I?
Alright, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below whether you like the beach or the pool better.
Or both.
What do you like?
I like both.
She likes both.
I said both. like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace out. Bye.